Hi, my name is Joe Muntz, and today I'll be talking to you about the reactance of capacitors and inductors. Normally, the resistance of an applied signal is quite simple to comprehend and calculate due to the simple application of Ohm's law. However, with the introduction of capacitors and inductors, the effective resistance of the circuit elements becomes more complicated. By using complex numbers and implementing the concept of reactance, we can analyse the effect of capacitors and inductors on AC circuits more easily. Reactance is simply the impedance of current created by non-resistive elements in an AC circuit. A capacitor is a device that stores charge in the form of an electric field and strongly resists voltage changes, therefore allowing current to lead voltage by 90 degrees. An inductor is a device that stores charge in the form of an magnetic field. It strongly resists the flow of current in an AC circuit and thus lets the sinusoidal voltage lead current by 90 degrees. The reactance of an inductor is proportional to the frequency of the AC signal. With the equation of Z equals R plus J times XL minus XC, we can comprehend the new reactance of the circuit, which is effectively the resistance. Now, in this equation, XL is the reactance of an inductor and is calculated using 2 pi FL. And F is the frequency of the applied signal and L is the inductor nameplate value. XC is the reactance of the capacitor and is calculated using 1 on 2 pi FC. Using these, we can sub them into this equation, and the J value is an imaginary number. This is a complex number and therefore allows you to find the phase change in the value. Using the previously stated equations for impedance and reactance, we can now calculate the total impedance of this circuit with a 10 ohm resistor and a 100 microfarad capacitor. This gives us the form in rectangular, so we have a resistance of 10 plus J times the reactance of the capacitor. We find this in the rectangular form of 10 minus 15.9 J, and this equates to the polar form of 18.8 and with an angle of minus 58 degrees ohms.